Welcome to jzgraphics. In this tutorial, you will learn how to make a modern car poster in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the rectangle tool and create a rectangle shape. Change its stroke to none. Press Ctrl+J for a duplicate copy. Press Ctrl+T and drag the shape right side. Then press Ctrl+Shift+T for duplicate copies. Undo the shapes in center. Set the shape's placement one by one. Select all layer, right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Create a gradient adjustment layer. Follow my gradient settings. Right-click, and choose Create Clipping Mask. Select both, right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Select Shape Layer. Go to Magic Wand tool and select this shape. Press Ctrl+J and clip the car image. Create Hue Saturation Adjustment layer. Select your desired color. Again, select Magic tool and make selection of second shape. And do the same process. Repeat the process with other shapes too. Select all layers, and press Ctrl plus G to group them. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Follow my text settings. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.